Dear students, today's topic is graph. Graph is a non-linear data structure. In this topic, we will discuss some terms of graph. After that, we will discuss types of graph, and then we will discuss the representation of graph. So first of all, what is a graph? Graph is a non-linear data structure which consists of two things, nodes and edges. Nodes क्या है? All these circular things are represented by nodes and the lines joining these circular things are known as edges. तो हर एक ग्राफ में आपके पास दो चीज़ें होंगी. One is nodes. Nodes are also known as vertices, and the other is edges. Edges are also known as arcs. Next thing is, when we define a graph, we define it G is equal to VE, where V is the set of vertices. The set of vertices is also known as nodes or point. E is the set of edges, and edge is a connection between the two vertices, and it is also known as arc or line. Next thing, two vertices are there, suppose I and J, and they are adjacent to each other if and if only if there is a edge between I as well as J, and I and J are incident. There is an incident edge between I and J. This is actually the formal definition of graph. We are done with this. G is equal to VE. V is the set of vertices and E is the set of edges. Next is, there are different types of edges. First is undirected edge. In case of undirected edge, the edge is having no any arrowhead, whereas in case of directed edge, the edge is having a arrowhead. The arrowhead will specify the direction of the edge. Now, depending upon the undirected edge and directed edge, there are two types of graph. First is undirected graph, having all the edges are undirected, and next is the directed graph where all the edges are directed. Suppose this is the example of undirected edge. U and V, these are the vertices, and there is a line which is going to connect U and V. This line is known as your undirected edge, and we can read this edge as UV as well as VU because we don't have any direction. Next is your directed edge. In this directed edge, there is a arrow between U and V. That means it is from U to V. So U and V, these are the vertices, and the arrow between them represent the directed edge, and we will read it UV. We can't read it VU because the direction is from U to V. Now, this is the example of an undirected graph. You can see here we have four vertices A, B, C and D, and you can see here these are the set of vertices. We write it here. V is A, B, C, D, and E is the set of edges. These edges are AB, A, D, B, C and B, D. We can also write these edges as BA, DA, CB and DB because in case of undirected graph we don't have any direction. We can read the edge as AB as well as BA. This one is again an example of undirected graph. Here we have different vertices are there and there is no any direction between the vertices. This is directed graph. In case of directed graph, each edge is having a direction. The directed graph are also known as a digraph. Here you can see there is an edge between 1 to 3, 3 to 1, 11 to 1, 9 to 11, 5 to 9, 5 to 7 and from 9 to 9. So vertices set consist of 1, 3, 11, 9, 5 and 7, whereas the set of edges consist of 1, 3, 3, 1, 11, 1, 9, 11, 5, 9 and 5, 7. This is again an example of directed graph where each node is having edges and each node is directed edge.